In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit height in Samsung Health. First of all, open the Samsung Health app on your phone. Once you have done that, if any wrong height is registered on your account, you can easily change it. To do this, tap on the My Page option at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. After that, you will see Your Profile. Tap on Edit beside your account name. From here, you can change your health details. Scroll down, and you will be able to see your height listed. Tap on it. You can switch between centimeters and feet by dragging them. Once you've set the correct unit, adjust your actual height by dragging the numbers up or down. After you've changed your height, simply tap on Done to confirm the change. Along with your height, you can also edit your other information such as your weight, gender, and birthday in the same section. Once you've made all the necessary changes, simply tap on Save at the bottom of your screen, and that's how you can edit your height in Samsung Health.